After the magic, the 28 days are complete. But the real magic, it begins now. Do you know how? Magic was never in the practices. It was in you choosing awareness, you choosing gratitude, and you choosing yourself every single day. And from now onwards, there's no checklist, no countdown, just a gentle question that you need to ask yourself daily: what can I be grateful for right now? If you carry that one single habit forward, the magic will never end. This journey closes with gratitude and life continues with magic. Happy magic. And I shall see you in another beautiful journey. Myself, Anuradha, I am a psychologist from Delhi, India. Stay tuned and follow me for more such beautiful journeys all together. I wish you all the very best. Happy magic.